Today we are discuss about how to clear the cache and temporary file on Mac and some procedure and do follow this step and go ahead and let we start. The cache on the Mac. So we are started friends. First we go for the click on the go and here you can see the computer and click on the computer and in there the Macintosh and in there the library. In library inside the one folder is the cache. You can able to all are see here in the cache file. Actually I am deleted all the cache file, so you can select all the cache file and delete the command and delete. Here then asking the one password which you have enter your having your password, please fill it. All are the file are deleted and some is the file is not deleted, do not delete again. So after you have the deleted, do one more thing, one more option. Click on the go and press the option alt option button. Here you can see the one option is the library. Click on the library. Also you can see the one more folder is the cache. Click on the cache and here you can able to see the more number of the folder. Select all and press command delete. All cache file will be deleted. And do one more thing, so having the one more option is the having the go, click on the go and go to the folder and put it here the slash library slash caches and click on the go. Actually I have given the in description in this. Click on go. Here you can see the cache and press the control A and then command delete. All the cache file will be deleted and then open the bin folder and here you can also delete this all this data. The cache file will be all deleted. Also you can here check the how many cache files are in the system as a created. So you can go for the activity section, activity monitor. Here you can see the cache file 3.54 GB is the having the cache file. Okay now. Thank you friends. Do like and subscribe.